Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So today on the agenda, I am going to start some Larkspur, and it's kind of perfect timing because I need to move my Alstroemeria out to the fridge at the farm. I need to bring the Bells of Ireland in from the fridge at the farm, and after I start this Larkspur, I'm going to put it in the fridge for 7 days and then bring it out to warmer temperatures to see if I have good germination. So the Larkspur needs to go down about a 1/4 inch into the soil, and unfortunately my trays did not come, so I am starting them in the plastic like I did yesterday, just the plastic lids, and hopefully I'll get some trays in soon because that's going to be crazy taking it out to the farm. And then we'll just kind of see where the day goes. That's all that I have on my calendar that I must get done today. It is really windy, but it is supposed to get up to 58, so it'll be a little bit warmer. And then tomorrow is a rainy day. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for the Larkspur, Dee. So Larkspur needs to be down a 1/4 inch. It does not need the light to germinate. So I'm going to put these down a 1/4 inch, cover them back up, and then I'm going to stick them in the fridge for a week. At about, that fridge out there is about 33 degrees. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'll pull it out. I'll put it under lights just mainly for the heat and to get them started. And then when they pop out, they'll have light. Well, I guess I'm not going to take my Alstroemeria out to the farm and put in the fridge. They germinated without the cold. Okay, I'm going to take my Bells of Ireland out of the fridge. It's in a nice normal tray. And then I'm going to put these in, which I need 2 hands for. Okay, now my Larkspur's in the fridge. It looks like it's about 35 degrees in there. So in about a week, I will take this out and put it under grow lights. Yay, I've got trays again. Oh, that's so excellent. Yay, I got all of my trays switched out, so no more plastic lids underneath of them. I now have actual trays again.